Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to recharge your AC system after you replace the AC compressor or some other part, or you just had a leak and you lost the refrigerant. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. You will need, if the system is completely empty, you're going to need two cans, two 12-ounce cans, because right here, as you can see on the label, it says 24 ounce for the 2.0, 2.4 or 2.7 engine. The turbo engine is less, but the regular engines are 24 ounces, and each of those cans is 12 ounce. And also it needs PAG oil. The compressor takes 150 milliliters, but this one is 85 grams. We still have some in the system, and we're going to add some just in case, because we lost some with the leak that we had, and we purchased a used compressor that came charged already with oil. So what we need to do now, of course, first you will need to add 1 can of refrigerant. So we need to go inside the vehicle. You need to make sure that you have the AC on and the fan on, and just start the car. And now we're going to start with the first can of Freon. So when we add the second can, the oil, it will already have Freon in the system and be able to circulate the oil easy. So just open the low pressure side right there, open the cap, remove it, install the can, and now just empty the can inside the system until it feels empty. And you're going to hear the compressor kicking in when you have enough pressure in the system. I'm gonna let you know when it happens. And shake the can a little bit while you're doing that. Okay. And it kicks in, the clutch is running, as you can see right there on the bottom. This is the clutch spinning. Okay, now we remove the can out of the tube, and we're going to add the oil. Do not run the system without oil if you don't have any, because you're going to lock up the compressor pretty fast. So now, if you're installing a compressor that is brand new, you need to actually add oil inside the compressor in most cases, but most of them come recharged already. Okay, we empty the oil in the system, and now we're going to add the second can, because on one can you won't be able to use the full potential of the AC, and it will going to turn on and off because it will not have enough pressure for the system to run properly. So just install the second can, and now we're going to add it. And this is the gauge right there. Okay, so that's how you recharge the system. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.